Well, welcome back to another video, everyone. Today I have my good buddy Brady, meeting him up, and we're gonna go dove hunting. This morning he actually shot a pretty big deer, so we're gonna try to keep his good day going and try to go after some doves. I think we're gonna go to the spot where the first video I did the first day I went out dove hunting, and we're gonna try there. The wind isn't perfect for that spot, but we're gonna try to make it work. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna be another hot day today, so we'll probably end up going a little later, so we're not steaming all day. But yeah, the doves should still be there. They shouldn't have migrated out since it's been a steady south wind this whole last 3 days. So yeah, hopefully we can get them on some doves and have a good shoot. There's a big buck killer. How's it going? What'd you do today?
I took a long nap.
No, what'd you do today? Tell everyone.
Took like a 4-hour nap.
What did you do today?
Gonna shoot a limit of doves.
And you shot a huge freaking buck. Let's go. I'll post the picture up here. What a dude. Let's go. Hey.
I got 2 more at home, but I got paper clothespins on.
What in the hell are these?
One of ones. I had them custom made.
Are they gonna work?
Oh yeah. That's a poke.
Well, Brady's got 2 so far. I had to go back to the truck to get GoPro batteries, so looking like it's gonna be a pretty decent hunt. They're starting to fly a little earlier than they did yesterday, which is surprising because it's like 98 degrees out right now. A little bit hotter than yesterday, but right here. Shoot him. There you got him. I'd go find that one right away. Hold up your prize, Brady.
I got them in the shadows pretty good. You in the shadows too.
Right here.
Damn. Doesn't look like it.
One right down the middle.
Yeah, there's a car coming though.
Sorry, buddy.
Right here.
Shoot him. Ha! Get him. I don't know if I got him or not.
I think you did. Right side.
You got him. Nice shot.
2 in hand, 1 out, 28.
Where did he come from?
I don't know.
Right here. This is you, Brady.
Where?
Oh. You get the front one, I'll take the back. Get him.
Are you shitting me?
Shoot. How'd you miss that one?
I thought I peppered him when he's sitting on the ground.
Right here, Brady.
No,
Oh, you hit him.
I suck.
There's just no wind, and it is hotter than hell.
Dude, it's so hot.
Maybe they fed earlier here, because yesterday they weren't even in here till frickin' like literally 6:50. Right there. Brady. That's a poke.
That was. You don't have
Oh, right here. Shoot. One's coming right here, Brady. Right down the chute. He's yours.
I couldn't see. My first shot was in the cattails. I'm like, uh-oh.
What's going on, Brady?
Dude, I'm bad. I should have listened to you and brought 3 boxes. I've got 3 for like 20 right now.
Right here, Brady. Shoot him.
I was not. Oh my god. Up there.
How many do you have out there?
One out there. I got two next to me. Coming?
Oh yeah, this one right here, up front.
Two of them.
Shoot. You got one on the left.
That was the one on the left.
What? Did you even shoot?
No, because you shot the one on the left.
So that's 11 for me now. They switched at the last second.
I know it. I figured I'd still stay left side. Those are
My
the
bad.
ones I need.
Here, this one's you. Right here, down the middle.
Oh, okay, yeah.
There you go. Now you got her dialed
I
in.
still almost missed. I still just winged him.
All right, here. To the right. I'll take the back one. Ready?
That was a cold.
Yeah. They really don't like going over this cattails, do they?
No, I think
Right here.
that's kind of the deal here. I would never guess.
Right here. Brady, what is going
I can't
on?
hit anything. That was a gimme. Yeah, I probably don't have my gun pattern being shelled.
Yeah. You're nervous. You're on YouTube.
Yeah,
That's all right. You killed a 160 today. There's one right there. Yep. Got him. There's one. Yeah, there's just not as much flying today too. Not as much on the power lines. It's weird.
Oh, that's alright. It's not gonna make my shooting better. Here's two
Huh?
here.
Right here, Brady, Brady.
I know.
Nice. Hey, there you go.
Did I do that? Oh, come on. Come on, I gotta get a triple. Oh, come on, baby.
Come on,
I'm shooting a triple.
shoot him. Did you get one?
No. No, I did not. I don't know if I'm overleading them that close or what now.
Oh, no, he's going away. Oh, yeah, right here. Dang.
Holy shit, that was a poor shooting.
Yep, there she is. Time to go. I shot pretty well,
Yeah.
but I've also done this a couple times already. Not good. So yeah, here's these little black seeds that they're eating. I don't think it's canola because there isn't really a canola field nearby, but yeah, they're just full of these. So I don't know if it's just a weed or what, but that's what they're eating. Well, I finally got home. Kind of got sidetracked with that flat tire, which kind of stunk. So I didn't film an ultra out in the field, but yeah, it's a little slower day. Still had a good day out. Probably should have had our limit if Brady would have shot better. But I think he's all right because he shot a big deer today, which is pretty cool. So I'm pretty proud of him. That's his first big deer, and he puts in more time than anyone I know for deer. So I can finally hear him stop talking about deer this year. And maybe he'll come out and film a deer hunt for me. So I guess that's one positive for being done early. He's got plenty of time this fall, and he's a good buddy of mine too. And I probably hunt with him more than anyone. So it'll be nice to have him bird hunting this fall. I know that, instead of out deer hunting. But yeah, I don't know if this morning there was some rain, and I don't know if it screwed up their pattern because they were out in the field earlier this evening, and usually it was around 6:40 before they started flying.
But yeah, I think that kind of got them more hungry this evening, and they fed a little bit earlier because there was already doves in the field when we got there, which wasn't the case the last 2 days. So yeah, it was nice to get out again and dove hunt with Buddy. I don't know how many more dove hunts I got lined up this year, or if I'll do any more. I'd kind of like to start chasing geese now that it's September and temps should start dropping. So yeah, and usually early September is when I start getting excited about geese, because molts come down and they just start grouping up a little bit better. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed another dove hunting video, and I appreciate if you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya. Bye!